At least taxi out there. Said I'll at least taxi out there.
Taken up.
You know what? It sounds better since you lowered the timing.
Yeah?
You don't hear that that grinding so much.
Tyler cleared.
Yeah, they're everywhere. That's why it's better to wear a jacket. Alright, I'm taking off. After you pass. After you pass, I'm taking off. Take it up!
Gear up.
Yeah, they're everywhere. It's because they mess with the damn grass. If they wouldn't have touched the grass, they wouldn't be here. Woo! That thing's quick. Alright, I'm diving. That thing's moving. Yeah, you're faster.
What?
Don't forget you're a lot smaller too.
I am a lot smaller. Dude, it passed like...
Oh, you were a little, you cut in too. Don't forget you've got like, I weigh like a couple pounds more. Literally, like 2 pounds more. Although, once I pick up speed, this thing's quick. Okay, those changes I made actually worked. Sheesh! Just whip it. Oh, there's Jack. Yeah, that was low.
Time remaining 1 minute.
God, these bugs drive me crazy.
Seconds.
I like the high alpha on that thing.
Oh, wow, that was cool.
Do you have gyro on?
10,
That was cool.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
That was
4,
really cool.
3, 2.
Oh, these bugs!
Time expired.
Alright, I gotta do a gear check and come in.
Gear down.
Hey guys, I'm landing! Wait, which way's the wind? I need to come in from the right.
Yes. No, yeah, you need to come in from the right. It's a tad...
Landing from the right! Off the runway! There we go.
Landing flaps.
There we go, perfect. There we go.
Braking.
Whew, okay.
Flaps up.
Nice. Nice. I remember seeing them do that on the video.
Dude, it's crazy. Oh, you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Alpha did that. He'd just fly like this and then power out of it.
It's not so.
Dude, I like the light right now too. It's perfect. Looks like a missile. Dude, that's good.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm impressed.
Well, all it is, it's all in the setup.
Yeah, I'm impressed.